Hey, what's up everybody? Josh here, and today I'm taking a look at the EKSA E900 Pro gaming headset. And this is a budget headset, but boasts a lot of features. So I'm going to take a look at it today, see if it's actually worth it. First, let's do a little unboxing. So inside of this larger box, let's see, we have a piece of aluminum tubing and a couple little plastic bits. Oh, there you go. Yep, it's a nice headphone stand. I love that they included this, especially for a budget headset. It's not like a super heavyweight stand or anything like that, but it is a nice touch. You got the EKSA name right there, so we'll put that aside. All right, so there's the box, and if I just kind of read some of the features on the side of the box here, it's also compatible with, gaming consoles as well as PCs, simply because it's, it's a generic gaming headset. So there is a sound driver for 7.1 surround sound, so that's pretty cool. It's anyone's guess how good that's going to be because it's certainly going to be simulated. You got a pretty standard frequency range from 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. If you're using this with a Windows PC, you can use the USB-C cable to connect it to your machine. All right, so let's open it up. All right, so first we have the headphones themselves inside of this faux leather case with a drawstring at the top. That's a nice touch. So right off the bat, they look like a mid-level headset, I would say. So you got some pretty squishy, soft earphones, and the headpiece is nice and squishy. You've got some coiled audio cables running to the headphone itself. You've got your left and your right earphone marked there. And then as far as I/O, you have your plug for your microphone, USB-C, your audio cable, and a mute button if you want to mute in-game just on your headphone, and then a volume knob right there. Let's see what else we got in here. All right, so there's our USB-C to USB-A cable. Here's our locking TRRS cable, so you've got stereo sound plus a microphone is what that is. And when I say locking, it just fits in here and twists, and then it won't fall out or get pulled out in game, which is nice. There's your microphone. Go ahead and plug that in. And then you've got a splitter, so if your computer does not have a combo mic headphone jack, you plug this in. One goes in headphone, one goes in mic, and you're good to go. So that's that. Let's plug this thing in and see how it does. But before I do, I'm actually going to go in and find this in the download section of EKSA's website and download that 7.1 driver. Which is hosted on Google Drive, which is an interesting choice, but it is what it is. We'll go ahead and download that. So after doing some testing, I ran it through 3 games. I played Doom, some Cyberpunk, and Tomb Raider. And as far as the 7.1 surround sound goes, I'm not sure it's a draw for this headset. It works okay. It wasn't impressive enough for me to recommend this solely on that. In fact, the 7.1 surround, which by the way is available through USB only, is a little bit muddy. Running through the standard audio jacks though, it sounds great, good enough for its price point in any case. And doing some audio tests on Discord, the mic sounds great. It seems to filter background noise really well. As far as the fit goes, it is comfortable. However, the headband is a little bit on the tight side, so you're gonna wanna do a little bit of this, maybe rest it on a pillow just to kind of work it out a little bit, loosen it up. But they were really comfortable. These, again, are really soft pads on here. However, the headset itself is kind of small. This is actually extended all the way, and that's how I had to have it to fit on my head. And my head isn't that big, so if you have a reasonably large head, you might have some trouble with this one. So in future models, I hope that they make it a little bit larger. All of that said, if you are looking for a moderate to low price point headset, this is definitely worth a look. I'm gonna drop links in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.